How ethical hacking cert elevates your cybersecurity career. What is ethical hacking certification? Ethical hacking certification is a professional credential that demonstrates expertise in advanced techniques for identifying vulnerabilities, assessing security measures, and developing defensive strategies to protect information and data from cyber attacks. The benefits of ethical hacking certification: gain practical experience. Through hands-on training and real-world scenarios, individuals can gain practical experience in identifying and addressing security threats effectively. Increase employment opportunities. With the rise of cyber threats and the growing importance of online security, demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is higher than ever. Boost salary potential. Certified ethical hackers often command higher salaries than their non-certified counterparts. Employers recognize the value of certification and are willing to pay a premium for professionals with proven expertise in cybersecurity. How to get started with ethical hacking certification. Choose the right certification program. Research different certification programs and select one that aligns with your career goals and interests. Popular certifications include Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, and Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. Gain hands-on experience. Seek opportunities to apply your skills in real-world scenarios, either through internships, volunteer work, or side projects. Stay current on industry trends. Stay informed about the latest developments in cybersecurity, attend industry conferences, and participate in online forums to engage with other cybersecurity professionals and expand your knowledge. Conclusion. In conclusion, earning an ethical hacking certification can significantly enhance your cybersecurity career by providing you with the skills, knowledge, and expertise needed to protect networks and systems from cyber threats. By investing in certification, you can increase your employment opportunities, boost your salary potential, and establish yourself as a trusted professional in the field.